What's up, you people? So, you see half of my face. I'm sorry. A couple minutes ago, I saw a woman with a doggy. I think her dog is like dead. I don't know what happened. I wanted to comment on it, and she didn't let me. I wanted to ask what happened to your dog. That's all I wanted to do. I didn't want to accuse her of nothing. I don't know what happened. Because I love animals. When somebody make a video of the dog dying, you are a sick-hearted person. I love animals. I love Athena and Luna because they're my buddies. Athena and Luna are licky licks. Look at Tango. He's my buddy. I know he's a small bully. I always love him. I know Tango is a pain in my butt. I still love him. I love dogs. When the dog didn't do nothing to you and you fake cry your dog's death and you're full of it, I never seen people love the dog as James and Crystal does to the two doggies. Because they have two doggies. They're both positive doggies. I love Athena and I love Luna. I love Luna Athena because she looks so out of the bay window. That her TV looking out the window. When I pet Athena, she looked back. Look back. How dare you not pet me? Because I love dogs. Because when I was younger, I was chased by. I love dogs. One dog, I got. I was under going under between the bush, and the dog bit me on my ass. It bit me right on the butt. And my sister got bit by the ankle, and I got bit by the ass. My butt was juicy, and it got bit by the ass, and it was hurting. And I was bit by the butt, bit by the knee, and I didn't do nothing to, and I almost got bit by the family jewels. Don't get me wrong, I love doggies. I didn't do nothing to the dog. The dog is not allowed to bite people. Look at Athena and Luna. I can shove my whole hand in their mouth. I mean, my whole hand is almost down their throats. I'm not scared of putting my hand down my favorite doggies down their throat because I want to see what they're gonna do. Because I love doggies. Dogs are there for us to be happy. Dogs, I love dogs. Doggies are happy. Doggies are motivation. Dogs are there for us, to love us and keep us company. Dogs and cats are not there to get friggin' beat on. Dogs don't deserve it. Cat don't deserve it. I know people accuse me of hitting a dog and they don't have any proof. You accuse me of shit, I will accuse you double. Because I don't trust nobody with dogs. I know dogs very long because people blame me for shit I didn't do. People are dumb. That's why I hate people when they abuse animals. Whoever abuse animals need to go right to you know where. Double friggin' hockey sticks. Double friggin' hockey sticks. You'll never blame an Italian, Portuguese person. Double friggin' hockey sticks, son. No offense, I love doggies. I've been around dogs all my life. German Shepherds, King of Corso, and the other, I forgot the other breed is number one. I forgot Polmath stuff or whatever it is. I love dogs. Love dogs 100%. I love dogs more than people. I love dogs. I love 100%. 1,000% love doggies. 100% doggy. When it's trained properly and the dog loves you and the owner, that is a good trained doggy. I love lovable doggies. Lovable doggies are the number one key to love the doggies. Me, I'm getting old because people saying you you always love dogs. Yes, I do. I love doggies. I'd put up with Tango. I put up with Alfie. I put up with that one friggin' dog we used to have, Mikey. I put up with his Poka Poka. I love Jazzy. Jazzy's a good dog. Jazzy is a good doggy. I miss Jazzy. Jazzy's a good boy. When you rub his belly and his arms, when you rub his two paws, when you rub his belly. Luna, when you itch her one leg, her one leg, her one paw. Scratch, scratch. She kicks when she looks like she's kicking a dirt bike. When you itch her, she's trying to kickstart a dirt bike, and it's so funny when Luna kicks because I love doggies. Doggies make me happy. That means don't abuse animals. Love the doggies. Doggies loves you. Love the dogs. Treat dogs like your babies. And call them Watermelon is your favorite. Watermelon. Lulu and watermelon. 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 What you have there? Watermelon. Watermelon. You got buckets on your head. I got watermelon. Watermelon. I don't know what to say. I'm just watching this YouTuber. I'm sorry, people. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Leave a comment. I apologize for the silence.